Very good morning, my dear students. Last class we discussed definition of matrix, types of matrices, order of matrix. Today class we will going to discuss exercise 3.1 problems. In that one first problem we can see in the matrix capital A equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. In that one first they are asking the order of the matrix. You know the definition yesterday I given order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns are called matrix order of m by n. Same thing here, a matrix having how many rows? 1, 2, 3 rows. How many columns? 1, second column, third column, fourth column. The order of the matrix here 3 by 4. Next one question. The number of elements. In A matrix, how many elements are there? Total 3 rows, 4 columns. 3, 4 are 12. 12 elements are there. Next one, third one, write the elements. Here A13 they are given. That meaning in A matrix, first row, third column you have to see. Here, first row, third column, value is 19. Next one, A33. A33 meaning in A matrix, third row, third column. Here in A matrix, third row, third column, value is here minus 5. Next one A21. A21 meaning in A matrix, second row, first column. In second row, first column, value here 35. Next A24. A24 meaning second row, fourth column. In A matrix, second row, fourth column, value here 12. Next A23. Second row, third column. In second row, third column, value here 5 by 2. This is the first problem. Second problem, they are asking if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? Once again, question. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? Here you can see here the number of elements. Total 12 elements are there. They are asking one order. I have written here 3 by 4. Here they given total 24 elements. They are asking possible orders. You can write possible orders are here 1 by 24. That is one. Second, 2 by 12. Next one, 3 by 8. Next one, 4 by 6. Same thing here, possibility 24 by 1 or 12 by 2, 8 by 3, here 6 by 4. Total 8 possible orders we have. Once again, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders? 1 by 24, 2 by 12, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, 24 by 1, 12 by 2, 8 by 3, 6 by 4. Or you can write factors of 24. You will get same answer. Next question. If a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders? Once again repeating question. If a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders? 13 is a prime number. Prime numbers means factors are possible here 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Only two possible orders. Once again, if a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders? Only two possible orders we have 1 by 13, 13 by 1. Next question. Third question. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? Same like this 24 elements. Here you have to find out 18 factors. What are the 18 factors? 1 by 18, next 2 by 9, next 3 by 6, next 4 not used. Any other possibilities are there? Other possibilities not there. Again you can write reverse here 18 by 1, 9 by 2, here 6 by 3. Total you have 6 possibilities you have. Once again, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 18 by 1, 9 by 2, 6 by 3. Total you have 6 possible orders. Next one. If a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders? Once again, if a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders? 5 is a prime number. What are the possible orders? 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. Only two possible orders. Next question. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix means how many elements are there? 2 by 2 means total 4 elements are there. Whose elements are given? Here the given element A of ij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Here construct a 2 by 2 matrix they are asking. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. I am taking here given. Here capital A equal to construct the 2 by 2 matrix means A11, A12, A21, A22. Total here 2 by 2 matrix. This is the construct the 2 by 2 matrix means total 4 elements are there. A11 element, A12 element, A21 element, A22 elements. You have to find out and here you have to substitute the values. Now see here A of ij. I means here I given previous class. I means respect to row number. J means here respect to column number. Like that here find out A11. A11 means here you can write 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. Here above element place you have to substitute. I value 1, here j value is 1 equal to I value 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. 1 plus 1 is here 2 square by 2. 2 square by 2 value is here 2 cancel value is 2. Otherwise you can write 2 square value 4. 4 by 2 cancel will get 2 value. Next one A12. A12 1 plus 2 whole square by 2 equal to 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2 means 3 square. 3 square by 2. 3 square value is here 9 by 2. Next one A21. A21 you can write 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 equal to 2 plus 1 whole square value 3 square by 2. 3 square by 2 value is here 9 by 2. Next one A22 equal to here 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. 2 plus 2 means 4. 4 square. Here 4 square by 2. 4 square by 2 value 4 square means 16. 16 by 2 value is here 16 by 2. You can write value is 8. 2 value equal to 2 plus 2 whole square by 2 equal to 4 square by 2 equal to 4 square value 16 by 2 value is 8. Now A1 element you can substitute. A11 value. What is A1 value here? 2. A12 value. A12 value here 9 by 2. Next one A21 value. A21 value here 9 by 2. Next one A22 value. A22 value is 8. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Here A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 equal to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. Always order you have to write. Right side of the bottom you have to write. We will see next problem. Question number 5. Next fifth question. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given. A of ij equal to 2i minus j. Here see 2 by 3 matrix they are asking. Capital A equal to here 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows means here A11, A11, A12, A13. Same thing here A21, A22, A23. Now total here 2 by 3 matrix. Here you have to find out 2 rows and 3 columns. Total 6 elements you have to find out. Here they are given element A of ij equal to 2i minus j. Here you have to find out the values and here you can substitute. This is the 2 by 3. First one is here A11. A of ij 2i minus j they given. 2 into 1 minus 1 equal to 2 into 1 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next one A of 12. A of 12 here 2 into 1 minus 2 value is 0. Next one A of here 1 3. 2 into 1 minus 3 value is minus 1. Next one A of 2 1. 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1 3. Same thing A of here 2 2. 2 into 2 minus 2. 2 to the 4 minus 2 value is 2. Next one A of 2 3. 2 into 2 here minus 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, minus 3, 1. Here you can substitute empty matrix. A11 value 1, A12 value is A13 value is minus 1, A21 value is here 3, A22 value is here 2, A23 value is minus here, A23 value is 1. This is the construct the 2 by 3 matrix. Once again, see the question what they are asking. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given. A of ij equal to 2i minus j, capital A equal to 2 by 3 matrix, total 6 elements, 2 rows and 3 columns, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Here values you have to substitute. A11 value 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, A12 2 into 1 minus 2, value is 0, A13 2 into 1 minus 3, minus 1, A21 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 2 is 4 minus 1 3, A22 2 into 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2 2, A23 2 into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3, value is 1. All elements you have to substitute in given matrix. Next one, A of ij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. Same thing here, A equal to 2 by 3 matrix only given, A11, A12, A13. Next one, A21, A22, A23. Here A11 element, here empty matrix. Next A11 here of modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Here minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 will meaning plus 2 only. Here 2 by 2 value is 1. Same thing, A of 1 2, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 meaning plus 1, plus 1 by 2. Next, A of 1 3 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 3 equal to minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3 0, 0 by anything value is 0. Next one, A of 2 1, A of 2 1 here 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, modulus of minus 5 is plus 5 by 2. Next one, A of 2 2 of modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 2 here equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, modulus of minus 4 is plus 4 by 2, plus 4 by 2 you can write value is 2. Next one, A of 2 3 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 3 equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, modulus of minus 3 value 3 by 2. Now you got all elements values. Here is substitute. A11 value 1, A12 value 1 by 2, A13 value 0, A21 value 5 by 2, A22 value is 2, A23 value is 3 by 2. Now what is the order here? 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Like this they will ask for 1 mark question in PU exams. Next one, concept equality of matrices. How, when we have to apply this condition, when they given two matrices capital A and B are said to be the equal. If two matrices are equal means directly should not solve. You have to check that conditions. Here you have two conditions are there. First one is they are of the same order. If two matrices are same order means you have to equate. After equating, second point, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. Once again, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That means both elements you have to equate. Once again, equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. First condition, they are of the same order. Same order means you have to equate. Otherwise, you should not equate. Next one, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. We'll check exam question. Question number 6. Find the values of the x, y, z from the equations. First question you can see 4, 3, x, 5 equal to y, z, 1, 5. First condition what they are given? They are of the same order. Check here. What is the matrix order? One row, second row. One column, second column. Here order 2 by 2. Here order 2 by 2. In this one here, now you can equate. Now second condition. Each element of A. This is if you take A. Each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. Here what is the first A11 4. Here A11 Y. Now 4 equal to Y is the value. Same thing here. A12 3. Here A12 Z. 3 equal to Z. Next one. X. A21 X. Here A21 1. X equal to 1. Next one here. A22 value 5. Here also A22 value is 5. Here no need of writing. Here they are asking only find the values of x, y, z from the equation. Here you have to equate what is x value 1, y value 4, z value is 3. Whenever they are asking that find the values of the x, y, z from the equations. Equating the two matrices, you have to remember these two conditions. What is the first condition? They are of the same order. Second one, each element of A is equal to corresponding element of B. One more question you can see. Here, the same. Find the values of x, y, z. Here they are given equating two matrices. Here first you check that first what the condition. They are of the same order. Here one element, second element, third element, fourth element. Here 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. Right side, here first row, second row, first column, second column. Here 2 by 2 matrix. Now we can check here. First one you have to see they are of the same order. 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Now second, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. What is the condition here? First element x plus y equal to 6. Next, one more is 2 equal to, here A22 value is 2 equal to 2. Next, 5 plus z equal to 5. 5 plus z, A21 value 5 plus z, A21 value is 5. 5 plus z equal to 5 implies what is the z value here? Z value is 0. 5 cancel. Next one, x plus y equal to 8. Here, xy equal to 8. Now they are asking find out the xy z value. Already z value got. Here you got two conditions. X plus y equal to 6. Xy equal to 8. How to simplify? Adding two numbers will get 6 value. Multiplying two numbers will get 8 value. What are the possibilities? You can take x value 4 and y value you can take 2. Now 4 plus 2 6. And 4 into 2 8, or you can take 4. If you have 4 you are not taking, you can take x value 2. Now what will take y value? Here y value is 4. Now here 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8 value. Now what are the values you got? X value 4 or 2, y value 2 or 4. What about z value is 0. Like that you have to find out the x, y, z values. Next problems we will see question number 7. Question number 7. Find the values of A, B, C, D from the equation A minus B max 2 square matrix they given. A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. First you have to check that one equality of matrix. First you have to check both matrix order is same or not. Here what is the matrix order here? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. One row and second row. One column, second column. Here 2 by 2 matrix they given. Here A matrix is 2 by 2. Right side minus 1, 5, 0, 13. First row, second row, first column, second column. Here 2 by 2 matrix they given. Both matrix order is same. Now what you have to do? Corresponding elements you have to equate. A matrix to B matrix. Now here first one A11 element here, A minus B equal to minus 1. Next 2A plus C equal to 5. Next one here. 2a minus b equal to 0. Next one. 3c plus d equal to 13. Now see here. A minus b equal to minus 1. 2a minus b equal to 0. Now we can add these two equations. You will get here. If you add these two equations, a plus 2a. Here 3a. And minus 2b will come. Now what we will do here? Don't add. Here it will do subtraction. A minus, here subtraction means plus means minus, minus means plus, here 0 means no need of writing. A minus 2a minus a minus b plus b cancel equal to here value minus 1. Minus minus cancel, a value you got 1. Now we got a value is 1. When you know that a value is 1, substitute here, what will get b value? Here a value is 1. A value 1 means here you can write a minus b equal to minus 1. Here you substitute a value is 1. A value 1 here, right left side, minus b equal to minus 2. B equal to value is 2. A value is 1, b value is 2. Next one here, c value there you can find out. 2a plus c equal to 5. Here you can substitute, otherwise this equation will write later. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Here 2a plus c equal to 5. A value is 1. Here you substitute 2 into 1 plus c equal to 5. C value is here 5 minus 2. C value is 3. Next one, third equation, 3c plus d equal to 13. Here you substitute c value 3 into 3 plus d equal to 13. Now d equal to 13 minus 3 3 are 9. Now d value is here 4. You got values are here. A value. Now we'll see. I will make sure difference. Here I am equating first a1 one element. Here a1 one element. A minus b equal to minus 1. Next one 2a minus b equal to 0. Next one 2a plus c equal to minus 1. Next one 3c plus d equal to 13. Now you can solve equation 1 and equation 2. Will get here a value. Next one a value substituted in here will get b value. A value 1, b value is 2. Substitute b value in third equation will get c value. C value substitute in fourth equation will get d value. A, b, c, d 4 values you got. A value is 1, A value is 1, B value is 2, C value 3, D value 4. Next question. Question number 8. If A equal to A of ij, m by n is a square matrix, if condition is given, option A, m less than n, option B, m greater than n, option C, m equal to n. They are given here square matrix. You know the square matrix? You know that square matrix definition. Square matrix, you know the definition. What is the square matrix? A matrix having number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Here, see option A, m less than n. Option B, m greater than n. Option C, you can see m means rows, n means columns. M equal to n. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Option C is the answer. Understand? Next one. Ninth question. Find the values of x, y. X, y values how to find out. They given here equating the two matrices. First you have to check order. Here what is the order? 2, 1, first row, second row, first column, second column. Here 2 by 2 order. Here order, first row, second row, first column, second column. Here 2 by 2. Now we can equate the first element. What is the here first element? 3x plus 7 equal to 0. 3x plus 7 equal to 0 means what to write here? 3x equal to minus 7. After that x equal to minus 7 by 3. X equal to minus 7 by 3. Check any option here. X value minus 7 by 3. X value minus 7 by 3 is not the option. Now we can check here. Y value. Here 5 minus 5 equal to y minus 2. 5 equal to y minus 2. Y equal to, you can write 5 plus 2 is the 7. Check here option y equal to 7. Y equal to 7. Option B is there. But we will calculate x value also. Now third one here, y value already got. Now here also you can equate y plus 1 equal to 8. Same thing you got here, y equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 is fixed. Next one, 2 minus 3x equal to 4. After that, minus 3x equal to here 4 minus 2. Minus 3x equal to 2. X equal to value is minus 2 by 3. Now we got here x equal to minus 2 by 3, y equal to 7. Check the options. First option x equal to minus 1 by 3, y equal to 7. Wrong. Option B, y equal to 7, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Option B is the correct answer. Next one, 10th one. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3. Here 3 by 3 means total elements are 9. With each entry 0 or 1 is. Here they are given 0 or 1, 2 entries they are given. Here answer 2 entries. That's why 2 power. How many orders here? Order is 3 by 3. Order is here 2 power 3 by 3. That means 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is here 5, 1, 2. Option D is the answer. In exercise 3.1, last problem is 10th one. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is. Option A 27, option B 18, option C 81, option D 512. Here 2 entries means 2 power. What is the order here? 3 by 3. 3 by 3, 3 by 3 means total elements are 9. 2 power 9 is 512. Students, today we completed exercise 3.1. Next, I hope you all are understood today's topic. Next class, I will going to explain operation of matrices. Okay, thank you.